Hey, it's Andrew Helmich here from PhotoBizX. I was on a coaching call with a photographer based in the UK last night, and the focus of that call was retargeting utilizing Facebook ads. Now, if you're unsure about retargeting, what it is if someone comes to your website, they land on a specific page or any part of your website, you can retarget them, you can show them Facebook ads, and that these ads only go to the people that have visited your website or specific pages on your website. So this is super, super powerful. So in the coaching call that I had, we talked about a couple of different kinds of retargeting ads that she could run. Because she shoots multiple genres, she shoots pets, families, and weddings, she wanted to create a retargeting ad for anyone that visited the website. So that particular ad would be more of a personality sharing, details about her life, what she loves, her likes, her dislikes, trying to make a personal connection with her audience. And that particular ad, that video, if you like, could go to anyone that visited her website. Now, if someone goes to her pet photography page, for example, we would set up a separate audience inside Facebook and we would send pet specific retargeting ads to those people only. And we do the same thing for the wedding or engaged couples who go to the wedding page, and also the family pages, they get family specific ads to them as well. This is super easy to set up. It's very, very cheap for photographers to do this. And I say cheap because we generally have a pretty low volume of website traffic coming to our websites. So to make or create these retargeting ads and have them going out to every single person that visits our website is a fantastic idea. It's inexpensive and it keeps you front of mind for the people that have already shown interest in you and what you do. Now for the ads, you can do this very, very easily. Start with one single ad retargeting people that are going to a specific page on your website. So if you're a pet photographer, you could start with a testimonial that one of your clients has left you. That can be a retargeting ad. You could also create a separate ad talking about the best locations to photograph dogs in your local area. That could be another retargeting ad. Now this could also be a blog post on your website that you create into a retargeting ad. Video is a great way to do this. You can share your personality, you can show a little bit about who you are, but you should be retargeting. And these are as close as you can ever get to having a set and forget ad campaign running in the background. Now, as you get more involved with it, you can have multiple ads going out to your retargeted audiences, and you can change out the ones that aren't performing so well with better performing ads, or split test the ads to find the best performing ads for your audience. Now, if you want help setting up retargeting ads, if you'd like me to record a video showing you how to do that, how to set up the audiences and create your ads inside Facebook, leave a comment below and I'll happily record or direct you to a recording. I'll put one together for you if you're interested. So leave a comment below and I'll send you a recording or a link to a recording where I teach you, show you how to set up an audience inside Facebook that you can retarget to. It's super simple. You should be doing it if you're not already. Once it's set up, you can leave it and just monitor it. It's inexpensive and it's a great way to stay in front of your ideal clients. All right, it's Andrew Helmich here from PhotoBizX. I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.